Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by conditioning the clay so it's smooth and workable. This prevents cracks later. Roll a 25-30 mm white ball for the body and a 15 mm white ball for the head, then insert a short 2 cm aluminum wire into both to stabilize them. Make 2 10 mm black ear balls and 2 8 mm arm pieces. Keep them separate so you don't contaminate colors. Once done, lightly texture the body with a soft brush to help paint or varnish. You now assemble the panda. Position the head on the body using the wire and smooth the seam while keeping a visible neck curve for character. Press the black ear hemispheres at the top of the head and shape eye patches into teardrops. These create the panda's expression. Attach flattened black arms and feet, slightly squashed to look natural, and use a needle to make nostrils and mouth. Add a tiny pink tongue to suggest cuteness. Make sure to check symmetry as you work. You finish by following the super clay manufacturer's curing schedule. For small figures, that's usually around 110 degrees C for 15-30 minutes. Use a thermometer and timer to avoid burning. Once cooled, sand any rough spots with fine grit and apply a matte or gloss varnish to protect the surface and enhance contrast. If parts separate later, use a small dab of liquid clay or rebake gently to reattach. If cracks appear, fill with conditioned clay and smooth before a quick spot cure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.